Hi! In this video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano lutuin itong napakasarap na dilis o anchovies. I use dried anchovies or we call it dilis in the Philippines. Maglagay ng mantika sa mainit na kawali. Kapag mainit na ang mantika, ilagay na ang dilis. Kung ayaw mo ng dilis, pwede rin gamitin ang tinapa or smoked fish. You have to debone it first and shred it. Cook the anchovies until it's almost crispy and set aside. You can put the anchovies on the plate or put it on the other side of the pan just like I did. Maglagay ng mantika kung kinakailangan at igisa ang sibuyas. Igisa ng mga 3 minuto at ilagay na ang bawang. Pakalipas ng 2 minuto, ilagay na ang kamatis. After a few minutes, mix everything. Cook until the tomatoes are soft. Optional, maglagay ng sili o jalapenos. Cook the anchovies to your liking or until it's crispy. This looks delicious. In the Philippines, we serve this with rice or fried rice, and we eat this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Enjoy!